Hey guys, so today I wanted to share with you this loaded sweet potato recipe. So this is a really easy recipe to make that literally takes 5 minutes. Like with preparation and everything, it only takes a little bit over 5 minutes, and it's really easy and super delicious and very filling of a meal to make. So first you want to start by washing off your potato. Make sure you wash it really well. You don't know where it's been before. I know a bunch of people that don't wash their fruits and vegetables, and trust me, you're going to want to. And then I poked 4 holes in the side with a fork on each side of it and threw it into the microwave on top of a paper towel. I don't know if you really need the paper towel, but I just put it in there so it would be easier to take out after. So then you want to put 5 minutes on the microwave on high and let it do its thing. So in the meantime, I washed off an onion and I cut up half of it and just cut it into a plate. And then I took an avocado and I mashed it into the plate with the onion. And I made mine kind of into like a little bit of a guacamole because I added some garlic powder as well. But that's totally optional if you want to add that or not. I just like the flavor of it, so that's what I did. And by this time my potato was ready. So I just took it out of the microwave and put it into like a different little plate after I cut it open. And then I just kind of opened it up a little bit further so that I could make sure I could load a lot of toppings on, and I mashed it. So then I topped it with some Daiya cheese and I put it in the microwave again just to melt the Daiya a little bit. And like I said, you can top this with whatever toppings you want, but I did like the avocado mixture with the onions and garlic powder and then cilantro and Daiya. So I found this super delicious, and it's a super simple and quick meal. I had other stuff on the side, but if I was making this as a meal, I would make a few of them. These are so good, and it's actually a really healthy quick meal. So if you guys have any suggestions of anything else you want to see, comment them in the description below, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!